What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know that I haven't filmed any videos for a really long time, but I decided to finally return back to YouTube, and after such a long time I can say that there is really much that changed on both stock market and cryptocurrency market as well. So just to show you the last video that I recorded for this channel, and it was published about 5 months ago. I just really didn't have any time and no wish to record any more videos, but after 5 months I decided to recover on YouTube. And the latest videos that I published was when Bitcoin was at the level of $27,000. Right now this price looks so juicy, guys, because now the price of Bitcoin has already gone to new all-time high, and it was about $73,000 per one Bitcoin, and right now it's just slid into a tiny correction, and right now it's priced like 67,000, but that doesn't look crazy. But what really looks crazy, guys, that you can see blue lines on my screen, and as you might guess, these are the approximate dates of Bitcoin halving. I have already set Bitcoin halving date that was in 2020, and right now we're approaching a new stage of halving. Right now Bitcoin miners receive 6.25 Bitcoin per one block, and in just less than 1 month they'll start receiving half of this price, and it will be 3.125 of Bitcoin per block. And what is the most interesting, guys, that if we look at the history of Bitcoin, the real bull market always started right after halving. But for this time it's something insane, completely different. You can see that Bitcoin has already reached its all-time high, and it did it before halving. That's crazy. As you might remember in the previous videos, I set these blocks of support and resistance, and what happened? We actually were stopped by this level around 30,000. But when we went through this and came to the level of 40,000, we didn't stop here. These levels didn't reflect Bitcoin, it didn't go back. It didn't plummet. Instead, it just tricked everyone and went straight away to 70,000. To be honest, even I didn't expect this move. But fortunately for me, I was in the market, and I'm still in the market. As I have already told you, I do not own Bitcoin at all because I'm deep into cryptocurrency market, and I suppose that there are many other interesting projects to consider instead of Bitcoin that might bring you much more interest on your investments. So, and today actually I wanted to cover one of these projects. If you were in cryptocurrency market for all this time, I'm pretty sure you have already heard about CEX protocol. Here's the chart of CEX. I know some guys personally who managed to buy it at the very low. They bought it at the level like 10 cents per one CEX. That's crazy. I also wanted to buy it so low, but the first time when I heard about CEX, it was already around the level of 0.8, about 80 cents, and I started buying it. And I still continue buying CEX for the following reasons. Guys, as you understand, the cryptocurrency industry flourishes, even today. But as you know, there are many problems with regulation, at least in the United States. And as you know, centralized exchanges do not like when security exchange control comes to them and says, hey guys, you're doing something really bad. We should close you. You better stop doing what you're doing right now, otherwise we'll force you out of market. Of course, nobody wants to handle these situations, and there is unfortunately more and more pressure from security exchange control on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, FTX, and Coinbase as well. Although Coinbase is even listed on the stock market, so they have some kind of advantage over other cryptocurrency exchanges, but never mind. So, I suppose that you understood the problem. And what is the solution to this problem? DEXs, decentralized exchanges. Why they might be a solution? The answer is pretty simple. Decentralized exchanges do not have a centralized owner of them. So they are called decentralized exchanges, which implies that there is no centralized power that controls them. There is no single owner that would determine the path of this project. And before this, we had Uniswap, 1inch, PancakeSwap, and many other decentralized exchanges. But what is the problem with them? Guys, I'm pretty sure most of you are traders and you like to speculate on cryptocurrency market prices, and you like just opening long and short positions, and of course you're using leverage when you're doing this. But is it possible to make any purchases, never mind on spot and futures, with leverage on decentralized exchanges? On PancakeSwap, on Uniswap, 1inch, you can't. But there is a brand new project that has already come out, which is called CEX, as I have already told you. We have already looked at its chart, but the most important thing is not about the current chart of CEX. The cherry on the cake is that what CEX really is. When you look at how its terminal looks like, you can easily understand that it's something completely different from Uniswap, 1inch, and so on. On this platform, you can trade futures, which means that you can use leverage. And there are many pairs listed already here. There is even Pepe, Arbitrum, XRP, Atom, Doggy, Matic, Optimism, Solana, BNB, and so on. And all these positions can be opened on futures. This is the first decentralized exchange that managed to replicate real centralized exchange, for example, like Bybit. I can show you my terminal on Bybit and how it looks like. Don't you see the similarity between them? They're hell similar. We have like these chairs here, and on the left this glass with orders, sell and buy orders, and we have absolutely the same picture here. That's really cool. Here you can connect your MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, or any other wallet that you prefer using, and you can start trading straight away here on this decentralized exchange. And I think that in the nearest future, CEX will add spot trading as well, because it was already done by CEX, Uniswap, and all other decentralized exchanges that you already know. So it's not a complicated stuff to do. If they already managed to implement futures, then implementing spot is not a big deal for them. So guys, that is why I suppose that it's not the end of party, and I really think that Apex will continue growing. If you look at other projects like Dot, Ava, Avalanche, you can see that they haven't even reached their all-time highs, which means that it's still not a bull market for altcoins. Bitcoin is the only coin I know that went to all-time high. I mean, among altcoins that are pretty heavy. For example, Ethereum and so on. That is why I suppose that it's not the end of party for Apex, and we'll see some much higher prices when there will be much more retail traders on the market, and they'll definitely search for some decentralized solution if regulation of cryptocurrency continues to develop. So that's actually all for today, guys. Thank you very much that you watched this video till the very end, and I'll be really happy to see you in the next video. If you really like this video, you can give it a like. If you didn't like it at all, give it a dislike, I don't mind. But write in the comments below what you really liked, what you didn't like about this video, and write some future suggestions for the next videos. I'll be really appreciative of this. So, and at this moment, I can tell you bye, and I'll see you in the next videos.